In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and enhance your experience with ChatGPT when performance seems to be lagging. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're in the middle of an important chat or task and everything is moving at a snail's pace. But fear not, because with just a few simple steps, you can get things back on track. First, let's start by checking your internet connection. Reliable connectivity is crucial for smooth operation, and a handy way to assess this is by running a speed test on fast.com. This will give you an insight into your current download and upload speeds. Ideally, you'll want speeds above 5 Mbps for both downloading and uploading. If your speeds are indeed lower than this, don't worry. A simple router restart can often help resolve these issues. If that doesn't do the trick, consider switching networks if you have multiple options at your disposal, or use a wired connection. This can provide a more stable and possibly faster internet connection, which is especially useful if your Wi-Fi signal is weak or unreliable. Now, moving on to the second step, clearing your browser cache and cookies can also significantly impact performance. If you're using Chrome, start by navigating to Settings. Under Privacy and Security, you'll find Clear Browsing Data. Here, make sure to select cached images and files along with cookies. Once you've cleared these, go ahead and restart your browser, and remember to log back into your favorite sites or services. This will give you a fresh start and often resolves issues related to slow loading times and glitches. Next, let's talk about browser extensions. While these tools are useful for various tasks, they can sometimes slow down the performance of web applications like ChatGPT. Extensions such as ad blockers, VPNs, and even Grammarly can use up resources or interfere with site functionalities. To see if extensions are the culprit, try switching to incognito mode, where extensions are typically disabled by default, or manually disable them temporarily to test performance. This little tweak could significantly enhance your experience. Finally, if you're still facing issues, it might be worthwhile to switch browsers or even devices. Different browsers can have different performance profiles, so if you notice lag on Chrome, why not give Edge, Firefox, or Safari a try? Each browser handles resource allocation differently, and one might work better than another for your needs. For those using mobile devices, consider testing the ChatGPT app instead of accessing it through a browser. Apps are often optimized for the specific platform, potentially offering a smoother experience. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to improving your interaction with ChatGPT. I hope this guide was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video with more tips and tricks.